Hi, my name is Mirel Isusto. I am 18 years old, weighing 58 kilos and stand 2 meters. I was born on November 14, 1995 in Las Piñas City. Presently, I live at Trade 8 Real Street, Manos, Compound, Piñas City. I hold a 1-year certificate training in information technology, major in computer programming and hardware servicing from Dr. Filimon C. Aguilar Information Technology Training Institute. My education in that said fields equips me with related technical skills and knowledge about computers. For operating system, I am more well and proficient with Windows 7 and 8. For database system, Visual Basic 0.6. For programming language, Turbo C. For tools, uninstalling, installing, disassemble and assemble. And a typing speed of 40 words per minute. I completed my on-the-job training at Metacom, wherein I performed the following tasks. Documentation of all phone calls and receiving all inbound calls from members. I am energetic, full of energy, full of new ideas, honest, innovative, dependable, and and good in English communicating skills. I hope that my skills and backgrounds can grow me professionally and make me an asset to your company. Thank you for viewing my profile. If you like it, just email me at my Yahoo Messenger. It is mirielhusto@yahoo.com or contact me to my number that will shown below. Thank you.